Hi dear guys, welcome back to my channel, and today exactly after 21 days I am going for my second dose of the Sinopharm vaccination from my office, and रहमतुल्लाह भाई भी जा रहे हैं, उनका भी सेकंड डोज है ठीक है। एंड सेकंड डोज के बाद कहते हैं लोग के फीवर होता है, सो लेट्स सी उसके बाद का चेक हम आपको बताएंगे कि हाउ वी आर फीलिंग। राइट नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स Haptoor Palace, the same place where we got the first vaccination. So now we are heading towards it. So if it will be possible, I'm gonna show you again what's going on there and what are the steps forward for the second vaccination. So let's go there and we're gonna show you what's happening there. So wish me luck for my second dose. So guys, we reach Haptoor Palace. Last time की तरह same जगह पर आए हैं, and we are having vaccination today over here, the second dose of Sinopharm, and we reach our destination. And we'll see inside, because in first dose there were numerous various, I can say, steps were there to go. Like first you have to fill the form, second you have to check with your Emirates ID, you have to register yourself online, third was we were taking our blood pressure, right? They were taking our blood pressure, BP check, and then we were going for the vaccination so far. So let's see what's the second step, like for the second dose, what will be the steps, what are the steps. Let's go inside and explore Haptoor city. So guys, this is the Haptoor Palace. It is so beautiful from inside. Last time I made a video and showed you from inside as well. So today we're gonna go inside, and I'm super curious what will be the steps for the second dose. So let's get inside. So I am little curious about what we're gonna be inside for the second dose Sinopharm, and I am wearing the same t-shirt because you know सबकी full sleeves होती है, and it's very difficult to get through for this vaccination. So it should be you should be wearing easy clothes, so it would be easy for them as well and for you as well to get the vaccination done. And now we're going inside, and फिर चल के देखते हैं अंदर हो क्या रहा. So let's go. चलिए हम लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं. We are getting inside. So this is a long queue, guys. They are waiting for it. मैं क्यू में खड़ी हूँ इस वक्त. I'm standing in a queue waiting for my turn and feeling little suffocated. So I'm just taking off my mask. And रहमतुल्लाह भाई का भी second dose है. ये भी लाइन में वेट कर रहे हैं अपने टर्न के लिए. एंड ये डर रहे हैं काफ़ी, क्योंकि जब मैंने उनको बताया कि फ़ीवर होगा, सो ही इज़ लिटिल स्किप्टिकल सबको होगा या क्या, बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर बॉडी. सो लेट्स सी. मुझे तो होगा, मुझे लगता है, एंड इनको होगा या नहीं, वी डोंट नो. एंड कितने लोग खड़े, बिकॉज सेकेंड डोज में हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर टेकिंग सो मच टाइम ओवर देयर इज़ अ बिग क्यू. एंड I don't know, for ladies they should have to keep another line, but they did not kept. So it's, I think, not a gentleman's stand. I think I'm not stressed, I am tired. I think इतना सोने के बाद भी अगर मैं tired हूँ, I don't know what's happening with me these days. So let's get into it. So guys, he's registering with the card. He's doing the registration. He's taking your second dose card, like this one, which I have it in my hand. So he's registering with this card, which they have given us last time for the second dose. guys, I have done with the first step, which was verification, and first step this time was the verification. They were verifying our card. They were verifying our card whether our vaccination is today or tomorrow, also whatsoever the date is. So today's date is 17, and so far we have done with the first process, that was a verification, and now we are going inside. So let's see what's going inside. They all are sitting. So guys, here we have first verification, and this what we are doing.
This is the verification, the form filling. You will fill your form.
Okay.
You will go to the coding area, the
Okay.
registration.
Okay.
Over there, they will take your ID.
Okay.
And they will fill out.
This is the same way in the first dose what we did, the online registration and everything. Okay. Thank you so much. So
And the
now,
difference is that we will write second dose.
okay, great. So same process, guys. Just we have to write the second dose. So today is 17. I'm here for my second dose. Same process. He's filling the form. So yes.
Mobile number. After the first vaccine, did you take any PCR test?
No.
Did you ever have COVID before?
No. Never. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah. Do you have any allergy, diabetes, sugar?
No, nothing. Alhamdulillah.
After the first vaccine, did you have any fever?
I was having headache and little feeling headache and little fever, and was feeling like less energy in me. Yeah. That's all. Signature.
Signature over here.
Okay. So guys, here I am signing the form for the second dose so far.
Take the forms and go to the registration.
For registration. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, so far this is the second process for the registration area. So guys, here we have the second process, same as we did in the first vaccination. This is the online registration, right?
Yes.
So this is the online registration, same as we have given the Emirates ID and those two forms which we have filled, we have given to them.
Madam, your mobile number is 0.
Yeah, this is second dose. You want my card?
No, madam, it's okay.
So guys, so far there is no rush, so it's more safe to get your vaccination done over here, because first dose we did here in Al Habtoor. So for the second we also came here. So these are the tables where we have to go through the process. The same process we have to go through, no? As we have gone through in the first vaccine. Same processes, right? Registration. So they will take our BP checks and all everything again?
Yes, if you have vital check, then definitely we'll check it.
Okay. So guys, we have done with the online registration so far, so we are going ahead. So guys, it's the same process, online registration we done, and we are here for our checks, like BP checks maybe, or they must be asking some questions. They are checking our temperature, BP and everything. They ask us question like if you have any diabetes, BP issues, then only have to check by them your BP and everything. So far I don't have anything, alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So I'm going and proceeding towards for my vaccination. Guys, we came for our vaccination. So far I'm going for it. So guys, I came for the vaccination for the second dose.
Must be popular now.
Yeah.
Your good name?
Ghazala.
Okay, Ghazala, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. So sweet of you.
So which arm do you prefer today, left or right?
I took on the left arm, so I can take on left arm again? Okay.
No worries.
So guys, today is my second dose, and inshallah it will be good too, as before I went through. I was having headache in the first one, the headache and little bit fever.
Uh-huh. But your fever is how many?
Only little, like not too much.
Okay.
It was normal.
Did you take any medication?
I took Paradol.
Oh, that's good. So how many days you had a fever?
2 days,
This week.
but it
No
was
allergic
normal.
reaction, no
Not,
difficulty
nothing,
breathing.
nothing.
Okay.
Just a headache.
Yes.
So guys,
Just like that.
I'm taking another second dose of Sinopharm, and let's see how it goes.
Okay. I want this to be relaxed, okay?
Okay, fine.
Wait for
Last
it to
time
dry.
the nurse who has given me her hand was so heavy
Yeah, that's
and it was
normal.
pinching on my hand.
That's totally normal. But if it's too much, you know, the pain, you can
Maybe it's
put
due to
ice pack.
strange. Maybe
That's another
it's a
thing.
bit strange.
Yeah.
So guys,
Okay. Not yet. Take a deep breath.
done.
Almost done. Few seconds more. Okay.
Done. Finally, I'm done with the second
Congratulations.
dose. Thank you so
You
much.
have completed. You're immunized now. But
Now.
you are.
Thank
going
you so
to put
much.
serious
But
mask.
now, if I got the second dose, so I'll not get the COVID now.
No, not an assurance.
Not an assurance, but still our immune will
Yes,
gonna save
yes.
us.
Yes.
Okay guys, so I did my second dose and she did very well. Like I didn't feel much, but obviously strangers going inside your hand, so you'll feel a little bit. So that's all, nothing else than that. So guys, we are done with the second dose and now she's given me everything, my form and my vaccination box. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Guys, this last, we have to submit this. So guys, we have to submit this. This is a verification exit. So we are submitting all our card in this. So this is the verification exit. This is the last process, right? So we'll be submitting our form, our
Proceed to the last.
one more.
Yeah, last white shirt.
Okay, one more table we have to move on. So let's go to the last table. He's the Haptur city director. So we're gonna enter our information. Guys, this is the chandelier and very beautiful view of the Haptur palace. I'm done with the second dose so far and now finished. Khalas. Now no dose required after this, only second dose and we are finished up with the COVID vaccine. Yes, congratulations to me. I did with the vaccination and she told that first one was the main and second was also the main, but second one is a little mild because first आप जब vaccination लेते हैं तो आपकी immune अडेप्ट कर लेता है उस चीज़ को. अब सेकेंड उसको मेरी बॉडी के इम्यून को पता है फर्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन के थ्रू दैट वो इम्यून में जो है इनकलकेट हो चुका है. सो सेकेंड विल बी माइल्डर बट स्टिल शी सेड दैट यू कैन गेट फीवर. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज video, and so far second dose finished and I should say just come and take your jab as soon as possible. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. So bye bye guys. हफ्तूर की जो है स्टोरी और हमारी जर्नी यही एंड होती है आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन. फॉर वैक्सीनेशन जर्नी एंड होती है, अदरवाइज लाइक फॉर स्पेंडिंग टाइम हम आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. बट I just so love this place. I completely love it. And so far we are going out from Al Haptur city. And finally हमारा vaccination भी खत्म हो गया. So take care. Bye bye guys. So guys, this is Haptur Palace from inside. This is so beautifully they made. See the queue for second vaccination, second dose. Wow. So this is the restroom. It is so luxurious, I must say, so luxurious. You can see this. It's a beautiful chandelier. It's beautiful. You can see it's Haptur Palace, yes. I just completely love the layout of this Haptur Palace restroom for ladies. Same goes with the men's as well. Same वैसा ही होगा. And Look at the chandelier. It's so beautiful. I just completely loved it. The curtains, the wash basins. It's too luxurious, man. I just loved it. Completely loved it. So now I'm going for my second dose, and there's a big queue over there. So now we are going out from here. I just wanted to get fresh, and now I'm going outside. See the big queue, you can see. Now this is a big queue for the second dose. People are waiting for registration. They are registering themselves. And here I am. You guys see this, the lights and the beautiful decor. I just completely loved it. I thought to show you while waiting in a line. This is very beautiful. Beautifully designed, I must say. मेरी वैक्सीनेशन हो चुकी है. मैं कितनी खुश हूँ मैं आप लोगों को नहीं बता सकती, बिकॉज आई गॉट माई अनदर जैब फॉर द सेकेंड डोज Sinopharm, एंड आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज एक जो चीज़ अटकी हुई होती है ना, लाइक 21 डेज़ के बाद आपको आना है, करना है, वो सो फार हो गया. तो अब मेरे सर पे कोई बोझ नहीं है सिवाय इस पोनी के. एंड दैट्स ऑल गाइज. सेकेंड डोज एंड कंप्लीट करने का मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको कोविड नहीं हो सकता. कोविड हो सकता है. यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल स्टिल, बट आपको सिम्टम्स इतने ज़्यादा जो है कंटीजियस नहीं होंगे. आप फिर भी सेफ रहेंगे, बट स्टिल stay safe, and together we are safe.